Type RNC conduit is the same as rigid polyvinyl chloride, or PVC conduit, according to the National Electrical Code, NEC Article 352. The term rigid PVC conduit is a general term that applies to any conduit manufactured from rigid polyvinyl chloride plastic. Robroy, on the other hand, represents a specific brand of rigid PVC conduit produced by Robroy Industries Corporation. To elaborate further on rigid PVC conduit, it is crucial to understand its properties, applications, and relevant standards. Rigid PVC conduit, as the name implies, is a type of electrical conduit made from rigid polyvinyl chloride material. It is designed to provide a protective pathway for electrical wiring, safeguarding conductors from physical damage, moisture, and corrosive elements. PVC conduit is widely used in various electrical installations, including both above-ground and underground applications. It is commonly found in residential, commercial, and industrial settings, offering a versatile and cost-effective solution for cable management. The NEC Article 352 provides comprehensive guidelines and requirements for the installation and use of rigid PVC conduit. This article covers aspects such as permitted uses, installation methods, support requirements, and bending procedures. Adhering to NEC Article 352 is essential to ensure the safe and compliant installation of rigid PVC conduit systems. When working with rigid PVC conduit, it is important to select the appropriate size and type for the specific application. Conduit sizes are typically specified in trade sizes, which correspond to the nominal inside diameter of the conduit. Common trade sizes for rigid PVC conduit range from 1/2 inch to 6 inches. The selection of conduit size depends on the number and size of conductors being installed, as well as the fill requirements outlined in the NEC. In addition to size, rigid PVC conduit is also available in different types, each designed for specific applications. Firstly, type EPC 40 conduit is a general-purpose conduit suitable for most above-ground and underground applications. Secondly, type EPC 80 conduit has a thicker wall than type EPC 40 conduit, providing greater physical protection for conductors. Thirdly, type EPC conduit is a heavy wall conduit designed for direct burial applications and installations subject to severe physical damage. When installing rigid PVC conduit, proper support and securement are essential to maintain the integrity of the raceway system. The NEC specifies minimum support requirements for rigid PVC conduit based on conduit size and installation environment. Support should be installed at intervals that prevent sagging or excessive movement of the conduit. Approved conduit straps, clamps, or hangers should be used to secure the conduit to walls, ceilings, or other structural elements. Bending rigid PVC conduit is a common task in electrical installations, allowing for routing of conduit around obstacles or corners. PVC conduit can be bent using specialized bending equipment, such as a PVC heater or a conduit bender. When bending PVC conduit, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and avoid excessive heat or force, which can damage the conduit. The NEC also specifies minimum bending radii for rigid PVC conduit to prevent damage to conductors during installation. Furthermore, it's important to note that expansion fittings are required when installing rigid PVC conduit in locations subject to significant temperature variations. PVC conduit expands and contracts with temperature changes, and expansion fittings allow for this movement without placing stress on the conduit or connected equipment. The NEC provides guidelines for the selection and installation of expansion fittings based on conduit size, temperature range, and installation length. When making connections to rigid PVC conduit, approved fittings and connectors should be used to ensure a secure and watertight seal. PVC couplings, adapters, and terminators are available for various connection types, including threaded, solvent-cemented, and snap-on connections. It is important to select fittings that are compatible with the conduit size and type, and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Furthermore, grounding and bonding of rigid PVC conduit systems are essential for electrical safety. Although PVC conduit is a non-conductive material, grounding and bonding conductors are typically installed within the conduit to provide a low impedance path for fault current. The NEC specifies requirements for grounding and bonding of electrical systems, including the use of equipment grounding conductors and bonding jumpers. When working with rigid PVC conduit, it is important to be aware of potential hazards and to take appropriate safety precautions. PVC dust can be irritating to the skin, eyes, and respiratory system, so it is important to wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask when cutting or drilling PVC conduit. Additionally, PVC conduit can release toxic fumes when heated or burned, so it is important to avoid open flames or excessive heat when working with PVC conduit. Robroy Industries is a well-known manufacturer of rigid PVC conduit and fittings. Their products are widely used in electrical installations across various industries. While Robroy is a specific brand, it is important to recognize that the term rigid PVC conduit encompasses a broader range of products from different manufacturers. When specifying or purchasing rigid PVC conduit, it is important to consider the specific requirements of the application and to select products that meet relevant industry standards, such as the NEC and Underwriters Laboratories, or standards. In summary, rigid PVC conduit is a versatile and widely used raceway system for electrical wiring. It provides protection for conductors, is easy to install, and is resistant to corrosion and moisture. When working with rigid PVC conduit, it is important to follow the NEC guidelines, select the appropriate size and type of conduit, and use approved fittings and accessories. Robroy is a specific brand of rigid PVC conduit, but the term rigid PVC conduit refers to any conduit made from rigid polyvinyl chloride material. By understanding the properties, applications, and standards related to rigid PVC conduit, electricians and electrical contractors can ensure safe and compliant installations. In addition to the physical properties and installation practices, it's important to understand some of the performance characteristics of rigid PVC conduit. Firstly, PVC conduit offers excellent resistance to corrosion from a wide range of chemicals, making it suitable for use in harsh environments where metallic conduits may corrode. Secondly, PVC conduit is a non-conductor of electricity, providing an additional layer of safety by preventing accidental contact with energized conductors. Thirdly, PVC conduit is lightweight compared to metallic conduits, which can reduce installation time and labor costs. Fourthly, PVC conduit is relatively easy to cut and join, using simple tools and solvent cement. Fifthly, PVC conduit is available in a variety of colors, allowing for easy identification of different circuits or systems. When designing an electrical system using rigid PVC conduit, it's important to consider the ambient temperature conditions. The NEC specifies directing factors for conductors installed in PVC conduit when the ambient temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Directing is necessary to prevent overheating of conductors due to the insulating properties of PVC. The directing factors are based on the conductor's insulation type and the ambient temperature. It is also important to consider the fill capacity of rigid PVC conduit. The NEC specifies the maximum percentage of conduit cross-sectional area that can be occupied by conductors. The fill capacity depends on the number and size of conductors being installed. Exceeding the fill capacity can make it difficult to pump conductors through the conduit and can also lead to overheating. When installing rigid PVC conduit underground, it's important to follow proper burial depth requirements. The NEC specifies minimum burial depths for different types of raceways based on voltage and location. Proper burial depth protects the conduit from physical damage and ensures that it is not disturbed by future excavation activities. When transitioning from rigid PVC conduit to another type of raceway, such as metallic conduit, it's important to use approved transition fittings. Transition fittings provide a secure and electrically continuous connection between the two different types of raceways. The fittings should be compatible with both the PVC and metallic conduits and should be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, regular inspection and maintenance of rigid PVC conduit systems are essential to ensure their continued performance and safety. Inspections should include checking for any signs of damage, such as cracks, breaks, or corrosion. Any damaged conduit or fitting should be repaired or replaced promptly. Also, it's important to ensure that all supports and securements are in good condition and that the conduit is properly supported.